to the lobby. This is the lobby where you will first check in at. Marcy's going toward the coffee shop. It's to the right over here. Next to the check-in counter is a place if you want to buy some beer. That's pretty good beer, and waters. And then as you turn to leave the lobby, to the right is the Amazon coffee shop. We'll get some coffee. There you go. Now turning back away from the coffee shop is one of the main areas here. If you want to print some boarding passes or whatever, you can come down here and print. There is the elevators. Again, to the right is the buffet, and right here is a in-house Thai massage. Highly recommend this place. The pricing, you can't beat it. Me and Marcy have had one massage. We're going back again today for our second massage, and they're not very expensive. So for mine today, I'm having a Thai Bomb massage. It's 600 baht. 600 baht is $18 US. And Marcy is going to have, I think she's having this one, so it's about $6 more, about $22. So not bad. Look at that. 100 Thai baht is $3 US. They're open 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Highly recommend it. But in the meantime, we're going to work our way to the elevator, and there is a vending machine. And unlike most hotels in America, the vending machine is not very expensive. Let's say you want to get a Coke. You're in the mood for a Coke. I put in 51, okay. And it's going to tell you it is 17 baht, which is about 50 cents. Not bad for a vending machine. You will not find that in America. So we are going to take the elevator up to the room. We are in room
317.
And Marcy's going to do the honors here. Let's see what our room looks like. Oh, very compact here. Got the key. In the, you got to put the key in the slot there. And then you got the key. Oh, wow. Look at that. Hey. Got a nice little sink. It looks bigger than I saw in the videos before. And there's the shower. Nice big shower. Yes. And got a little closet space there with a safe and some slippers. Got a counter space here. Got your coffee stand. Got a little fridge. That is a little bitty fridge too, smaller than what we've had so far. There's our TV, a place to sit, our big bow bed. Let's see what our view looks like. I think it's on the parking lot. We didn't want to wait for our room to become available, so they gave us an option, either wait for our room to come open or take this one. But we got there's our view from our room. Not the best view, but hey, the room is nice. And let me show you what's outside our room door here. We're going to check this out in just a little bit. But yeah, we are at the end. We got a quarter room, and there's the little bitty pool. Wow, it's little, but it'll work. Don't need much, I guess. I'll show you that in a little bit. We made it to the pool and the gym. They're both from the second floor. There are towels provided. And here's the little gym. Not much to it. Looks like going to like 4 different machines maybe. And some free weights. And they do have a scale. There is the pool. The pool looks a little small. It ain't bad. Half of it is in the sun, half of it isn't. But here's the problem. Here's the problem. It's not heated and it's cold. This is the winter, I guess, time, or the cooler time of the year for Bangkok. So, but yeah, Marcy came out here yesterday to get in the pool and it was cold. She couldn't even get in there. And she doesn't mind the cold too much in the pool, but she didn't quite make it in here. Right outside the lobby here, there's an entrance that goes out to the parking garage. If you keep walking past the parking garage, which is right there, you come into the laundry room, and that's one of the main reasons that we booked here. They have 2 washers and 2 dryers. Cost 100 baht, which is about $3 in US. You gotta pay the $3. Go up to the front counter and they will give you the change, and they will give you free laundry soap, so you don't have to bring your own laundry soap. And fabric softener. And fabric softener too, if you ask for it. But also in here is an ironing board if you want to do some ironing, a folding table, a microwave, and if you're hanging out here and want something to drink, they have a vending machine. So let's go back into the lobby. Again, this is the parking garage. Straight ahead is the breakfast buffet. We are heading into the breakfast area here. Gotta grab some breakfast. This is the breakfast buffet here. A lot of Indian food. Some rice and beans. Curry. Sausage. Eggs and baked beans. Got some eggs. Got some fruit and yogurt. Cereal. All the juices. Got about 3 coffee stations. Anything with green tea or chocolate or Thai tea. If you want any bread, here's some bread. Another addition here is the pancakes. If you want a pancake, you can make your own. And another coffee station. And that's it for the buffet area here. So if you don't want to sit inside next to the buffet with all the noise, you can step outside to this little garden right here. Hey folks, one of the things that we noticed on a lot of other videos is that they don't really tell you what's around this hotel, the Holiday Inn at the pier. So we're going to take you on a quick little walk, show you what's down here. And don't worry about all the noise you hear, all the traffic, because you don't hear that in the room. You don't hear a thing. No.
But it's a vibrant city and it's very busy everywhere.
But we're going to take you on a walk, show you what's close by here so you'll know. Okay, we've made it to a very important corner. This is a very busy corner, and there's a reason why. We were walking from that direction. We were heading that direction, and in that direction is a McDonald's and a KFC and a small mall with a lot of stuff there.
About 100 nail salons.
And nail salons and all kinds of shopping. But if you take a left down this way, this is where the pier is at. And also the train station if you want to take the train. But we're going to walk down to the pier and we'll take a look around there. But there's the BTS train station. There you have it. We have made it to the pier. This is where you'll catch a boat to going downtown. That's what we're about to do, and we're going to go see the largest mall in Bangkok. That's his future video. So if you enjoyed this,
Like, subscribe, ring that bell.
and we'll get out of the way and get going. Thank you.